Triple left hook, man. Triple left hook. What's going on?
Here with Nonito Donaire. Nonito, congratulations. What a fight. Everybody talking about a possible Fight of the Year candidate. How do you feel about your performance?
Once again mga par, lalaban ulit ang ating idol na si The Filipino Flash Donaire Jr. Kakalabanin niya ang isang Chilean na si Andres Campos para sa World Boxing Association o WBA para sa kanilang interim 118-pound title. Ito par mapapanood na natin ngayong Hunyo 14.
Nutritionists, I've hired people that helps me physically. I'm in top shape right now.
What did a loss teach you? I mean, you said you've learned a lot from it. It's matured you as a fighter and as a man.
Sometimes, you know, when you're winning all the time, you tend to take things for granted. The moment, the time, and you do all kinds of other. You know, I became a slugger. I became very impatient with a lot of things, and now I've learned to just be patient, be smart.
You're fighting the historic Araneta Coliseum. How will that, you know, play a role in the fight? I'm sure when you're on the ring, it's going to be so...
Make a big difference when people are chanting for you. You do feel the energy, and it makes you stronger, better when you need to just keep going.
You have
well, for now, my dad has been watching his fights, and we've been trying to work things strategically.
Gagawa rin ng sariling kasaysayan sa bantamweight division si 4-weight champion The Filipino Flash Nonito Donaire Jr. Nadadayo sa Buenos Aires, Argentina upang harapin si Chilean Andres Campos para sa World Boxing Association WBA interim 118-pound title sa Hunyo 14. Muling uukit ng bagong record ng 42 anyos na ngayong Filipino-American matapos makuha ang oldest bantamweight title sa edad na 38 anyos nang talunin si Nordin Oubaali ng France sa 4th round knockout para sa World Boxing Council WBC 118-pound belt noong Mayo 29, 2021 na kinanap sa Dignity Health Sports Park sa Carson, California. Malinaw sa kaisipan ni Donaire, may record na 42 wins, 8 defeats, 28 KOs na nais nitong magbalik sa boxing ring sa naturang division. Gayon din ang kagustuhang makalaban muli sa world title fight sa sinumang kampiyon upang tangkaing maisiminto ang panibagong kasaysayan sa boxing. Ang naturang salpukan sa Argentina capital ay parte ng kanilang programa na WBA Co. to Drugs Festival. Nakatatampukan rin ang 3 pang laban sa pagitan ni Micaela Milagros Lujan at Ayilen Alejandra Granadino sa women's flyweight, Enzo Marcelo Delgado at Felix Batista San Juan sa men's junior lightweight, at Nicolas Alvaro Martinez at Carlos Ivan Diaz sa men's super middleweight. Huling beses na tunghayan sa isang laban si Donaire sa pagkatalo kay Alexandro Santiago noong Hulyo 29, 2023 sa 12-round unanimous decision para sa bakanting WBC title na kinalaunay inagaw ni Junto Nakatani sa pamamagitan ng 6th round technical knockout noong Pebrero 24, 2024 sa Kokugikan Hall sa Japan.
Lloyd, the main chicken. Do that again. Do it again, man. Do that again.